Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you a quick and healthy avocado salad with lemon dressing. Salads are extremely healthy, rich in fiber, vitamins, antioxidants, reduces blood sugar, lowers cholesterol, helps in weight loss. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay connected. Let's get started. Let's see which food color brings benefits to your body. White to strengthen the immune system, yellow to fortify skin elasticity, orange to prevent inflammation, red to improve heart and blood health, purple to protect the nervous system, green to detoxify. I've got 7 lettuce leaves finely chopped, 1 cucumber cut into small cubes, 75 grams of purple cabbage, finely chopped, quarter portion of yellow capsicum, cut into small cubes, quarter portion of red capsicum, cut into small cubes, two avocados cut into small cubes, 10 to 12 cherry tomatoes cut into halves. Let's make lemon dressing. Into a bowl add half a teaspoon of palm sugar, you can use honey as well, quarter teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Mix everything well. Add the lemon dressing to the salad and combine everything together. Salad is an excellent food if you want to reduce weight. It helps to reduce your craving from other foods and thus helps in controlling your weight gain. Also helps in digestion and bowel movements. If you like this salad, do check out my other salad recipes. I'll give the link for that video in the iCard above. Try this healthy salad and share your feedback about this recipe in the comments below. Thank you all so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking!